Why do your joints crack? Have you ever cracked your knuckles and heard that pop sound? Some people say it's bad for your joints, but is that really true? That sound is not your bones breaking. Inside your joints, there is a fluid called synovial fluid. This fluid contains dissolved gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. When you stretch your fingers, your joints expand. This creates a sudden drop in pressure, causing gas bubbles in the fluid to collapse. That's what makes the cracking sound. So is it bad for you? Studies show that cracking your joints does not cause arthritis, but doing it too often might weaken your ligaments over time. In the end, cracking your knuckles is mostly harmless, but maybe don't do it all the time.